NPP candidate for Shillong Parliamentary seat, Ampreen Lingdor, today cast her vote at the Arya Kanya Vidyalaya school in Light Umkhra. Lingdor, along with some members of her family, reached the polling station to cast her vote. Speaking to media person, Lingdor said that she has given her best in her campaign and she will raise many important issues for the people. Expressing concern over the manner in which some political parties have campaigned without mutual respect for another party, Lingdor said that her team has worked very hard and she is confident of winning the polls.
I will not say that elections in Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now that is something which we have to deal with, in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening.
Voice of People's Party candidate Dr. Ricky